Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing fantastic, and as always, I'm so excited to be back to share another video with you. So today I have a huge Clinique haul and I want to share that with you. This is my box. I ordered all my products from Debenhams this time around, and this is not a sponsored video, alright? You know what? I know a lot of people always are weary when it comes to skincare. I do have a lot of experience in skincare and skincare beauty because for 5 years I was an independent beauty consultant selling skincare products. So I learned a lot in that process about skin types, about skin tone, about products to use and about products not to use. So if you have any questions whatsoever, put in the description box for me and I'll be more than happy to answer you to the best of my ability. I know I've done that before and I always go back to the comments. We chat in the comments every time that I share skincare products. So go ahead and ask me your questions. Do feel free. And if you have any other things you want to share with us, do share it also in the comments. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Let's get into this video, guys. If you've been following me now for a while, you would know that I'm really into skincare. For this, when you can wear makeup, you have good skin to rock. So I'm all about the skincare. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you my Clinique skincare and also some skincare tips as I go along in the video. So stick around for all the details. So I still use the 3-step system from Clinique, and I've actually just changed a little bit of things around. So the 3-step system from Clinique looks like this. So the facial wash, the clarifying lotion, and finally the moisturizer, which looks like this. So that is the Clinique 3-step system. So what did I buy today? The very first thing that I bought was this facial cleansing bar. The facial cleansing bar looks like this. For the longest time that I've been buying the facial cleansing bar, I actually didn't realize that they come in different strengths. So it was on this occasion that I decided to buy online that I noticed that 3 types of this facial cleansing bar. So if you use the liquid one, you will notice that they are for oily skin, they are for combination skin, and they are for dry skin, dry to normal skin. I actually didn't know for the longest time. So now that I know, I will be sticking with the mild one. I do have combination to oily skin, and when you have combination to oily skin, your T-zone will normally get oily on time. So if your skin is normal to dry, I would say go for the extra mild because you want to retain moisture on your skin. If you strip the oils on your skin too much, your skin becomes really oily. So if your skin is like mine, combination to oily, I would definitely highly recommend the mild or the extra mild. In this case, this is a mild one. So it came in a wrapping like this, which is typical. It's a silver tin foil kind of wrapping. So this one says facial soap mild. Mild is good for me because I'm combination to oily skin. It means my skin is not going to be too oily and my skin is not going to be too dry. So my skin will be balanced. So the top type of this cleansing bar is the one with the extra strength. So if you have acne prone skin or if you have excessively oily skin, the extra strength will be good for you because it will help you cleanse your skin, removing all the excess oil from your skin, and it will also keep your skin balanced. So that is what you want. So the first thing I bought is the facial cleansing bar, and I hope that the skincare tip that I shared along the way was helpful. I'm going to compare this cleansing bar with this liquid one. So the number 2 thing that I bought is my clarifying lotion. This is the step 2 for me. Once I finish washing my face with this one, I go on and use my cotton pad to take a little bit of this and use it to remove excess oil or any dirt residue that may be left on my skin. This is the ideal one for me. So I used to buy the wrong one before. By the way, I've actually showed a video on how I use this product. I'll link it at the top right hand side corner here for you. This one is the smaller one and this one is the bigger one. As you can see, the smaller one is 200 ml and the bigger one is 400 ml. So you have double this size in here. Obviously this will last longer. A lot of times this takes me through 5 months and I use it morning and evening. This one I finished using at about 3.5 months. So I would definitely recommend that. This is good for value. If you are not sure, the content is purple in shade. The other one for people with more oily skin is pink in shade. Alright, that is it there. The most important skincare tip to follow is to pay attention to your own skin. If you don't need to use a particular step, don't use it. If you don't need to use the clarifying lotion, don't use it. If you feel like your skin is smooth, is clean, you don't need to use this. I skip it sometimes. If I don't need it, I don't use it personally, and it works for me. So the number 3 thing that I got is my Clinique Prep Start 2-in-1 exfoliating cleanser. A full review of this product for you before. I'll link it on the top right hand side corner for you. Do check it out to see what I said about this product. This is the facial wash that I use every day. I use this one in the morning before I apply my makeup on days when I'm wearing makeup, and in the evening before I go to bed, and I follow with my moisturizer. But sometimes I need a little bit of deep cleansing. So I use this Clinique Prep Start. This is kind of like an exfoliant for my skin. Although this formulation has been recommended to be used every day, in my humble opinion, I would say because it has a little bit of scrub inside. If you have combination to oily skin, I would say don't use it every day because it's going to strip off all the natural oils from your face, and you don't want that. If your skin feels like your skin is dry, it's going to produce its own natural oil. It's just natural. So you don't want to strip off all the oil on your face by using this every day, especially if you have combination to oily skin or even excessively oily skin. I use this every day in the morning and the evening, and this one I use twice a week. So for example, if I use it on a Sunday, I don't use it again until maybe Wednesday or Thursday, depending what I think that my skin needs. Especially for periods when I don't wear a lot of makeup, then I don't feel like my skin needs some deep cleansing. This is what I do, and it actually works for me because I pay close attention to my skincare routine. And finally, I use my moisturizer to complete my skincare routine every day. If you've been following me for a while, you would know I love skincare, and secondly, you would know that I've reviewed this one. This is the third step in the Clinique 3-step system. However, I've actually changed my moisturizer to this one. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge. I can swear by this Clinique Moisture Surge. This moisturizer is life. For a more matured skin like my one, when I say matured, if you are up to 40 and above, your skin is matured. So basically, this is what I currently use. As you can see, I bought the biggest one. It is very hydrating. It locks in moisture to my skin, and it keeps my face well moisturized without being oily. The moisturizer is very gentle, it's very soft, it's very hydrating. It is very good. This moisturizer is very good even under your foundation or makeup in general. It is extremely hydrating. I absolutely love it. I've actually done the full review of this Clinique Moisture Surge before, I would say go ahead and have a look, and I'll link it at the right top for you, and I'll put it in the description box. Check it out and see my full description. If you're looking for a moisturizer to buy, I would definitely highly recommend this for you. I know I've spoken too much in this video. So what I now use every day, I use this facial cleansing bar to wash my face. This is a mild one. Then I go on and follow with my clarifying lotion, which is step 2. And step 3, I finish with a Clinique moisture surge to lock in moisture to my skin, to make my skin feel youthful and very well hydrated. And I use it in the morning and in the evening or in the night before going to bed. This one, the Clinique Prep Start, I use it every second day. If I need it more than that, I go ahead and use it. For times when I don't wear a lot of makeup, I don't need to scrub my skin a lot. So I basically just use it when I need it. Maximum 3 times a week, but a lot of times I use it twice a week. So that is the full review of the Clinique haul that I did. So as always, I want to thank you so very much for joining me on this video. I do hope you found it helpful. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please feel free to share with your friends and family. It's all free. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. I love you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon on my next video. God bless and goodbye.